You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am here. It is May the 20th, 2023. It is the day of my photo walk here in the DMV, and it has been very chaotic, to say the least. And I just wanted to document this moment while the chaos is occurring. Okay, I'm still remaining calm because obviously I'm able to record this video during this, right? So a little backstory. Today is the photo walk. I had two models from the DMV. You know, I travel a lot everywhere, and so another one of the models was from Dallas, Texas. So the plan was to fly her in the day before, okay, and have her here for the photo walk, which is today. Last night, they pushed her flight back. Okay, no problem. Pushed it back. It was at like 9 o'clock. Pushed it back 10, 11, 1 in the morning. Next thing you know, they canceled it.
Because we have a lot more flights
Okay.
to BCA. But right now, I don't see the one that I told you about to New Orleans. It's gone already.
Oh, okay.
We definitely gonna be here. If you'd like to call us, give us a call like later today or tomorrow, and we can double check, see if something is available.
Okay. I will do that.
Alrighty.
Okay. Now, I am currently messaging. Listen, look, I just literally just got a text message as I'm making this video. Some of the models to see if they could fill that slot. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because, first of all, it is epic content, because this is exactly what happens when you do an event or something like this. Always be prepared for the worst scenarios ever and be able to rise above them and keep going. With that being said, one thing that I learned from this photo walk, now I've done a photo meetup in Houston, but this is like the first photo walk that I've done in my city. And the first thing that I definitely learned was never do something in May, because a lot of people either have weddings going on, a lot of people have proms, graduations, and so a lot of people are not able to come out. Models have things that they have to do. Some people already paid to come, but then had those things pop up, and so, you know, those people that did pay couldn't come. Sorry, appreciate you. I will throw something else. So, you know, we'll work that out. But that is what I have learned. With all that being said, this is going to still be a great day. We are going to have fun at this event, and it all works itself out at the end. So let's see some of the content from the photo walk, and let's get it started. It's been hectic. It can't get any worse. I mean, it can't. It just can't get any worse than this. I mean, this has to be the turning point.
We with Natty, right? Natalia.
You don't miss me?
Yeah. We are out here. We are about to get started. How you feel?
I feel excited.
Excited?
There's
Yes.
a bunch of men for me. So I can't wait for this photo shoot.
Yeah. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, I'm just chilling with a couple bad ones.
I see you. Hey, Cedric, I see you bending them knees now. I see you in there getting them knees. Okay. Yeah. Hey, he putting that angle on there. That's what I'm talking about. What we got right there? What you shooting with?
The R5 and 8512.
Ooh, 1-2? You gonna do them like that?
Do them like that, do them
Do
dirty.
them like that?
We got some shots.
We got some shots?
Let's go some shots.
Let's see what you got. Okay. Oh, yeah.
She composed. She know what she doing.
Oh, you done pulled that. What camera you got right there?
All right.
Oh, that's the R8. How you like that R8?
I got it yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got it yesterday.
Fresh out the box.
Yeah, for real.
All right, we ain't letting no rain stop the show, right?
No, but I'm wet. A little different.
That's 70-200.
Yes, Mark II.
Oh. Wow, that, yeah, I seen that.
Test. Oh man, it is 11:30, so like 3 hours later. But like I said earlier, in the midst of everything that was going on, you know, I still found time to record a clip in chaos. So it's interesting because somebody asked me, you know, do I feel pressure or anything, you know, with having to throw on this photo walk, because it is a lot that goes on in the background. And, you know, like LeBron said, pressure, there's no pressure. I have fun with this so much that it's really no pressure there for me. If anything, I would say I feel a bit vulnerable. And why do I feel vulnerable? Because I have to depend on other people. So me having to depend on other people to come through for me is the sense that makes me feel a little vulnerable. And I think that will probably be like the only piece that I would say with putting a photo walk together would be the thing. So we had the incident where the model flight got delayed and wouldn't make it till later tonight. But then we had the other model. So I had to find a model within hours. Okay. If it's anything putting you to the test, that will probably be like the thing. All right. You're talking about within hours, you need to find a model to even things out. Now, we could have made it work with just the two, but we had about 15 people total. All right. And that is a solid number. I am good with that. Now, we had like 5 people that got booked for proms, weddings. Somebody had to be the chauffeur for a prom. And what else? Other people got booked for photo shoots and things like that, which I totally understand. But so that would have been about 20, give or take. So that is a solid number. Definitely had a great time with everybody. Came out from Ohio, Detroit. We had Mississippi. We had South Carolina, I think North Carolina, Pennsylvania. Yeah, we had a nice spread. So, you know, checking this video out, you did not know what T-Med was dealing with at that moment, but we pulled it off. We made it happen. Had a good time, and I'm checking out T-Med Photo Walk 2023, T to the M to the IDD. Until next time, peace.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.